Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create oblique blur and shake effects in CapCut. So here you can start by adding your clips or photos, and then for the first one, the first clip or photo, go to animation, and then under the in, select the swing bottom animation to add to your clip. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 0.3 second, and for the next clip select the swing right. Okay, so for the next one, the third and the fourth, you can repeat the steps like the first and second. Okay, so after you add the animation for all of the clips, go to the video effect, and here under the clip 1, under the first video, add the oblique blur. Okay, adjust the rotate and the blur to 100, make it short like this, and duplicate it. But for the next one, set the blur to 100 but rotate 50. Okay, now for the third and fourth video, just copy the previous effect. Okay, so after you put the oblique blur for all the clips, you are done, and this will be the result. So that's the oblique blur and shake tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Thank you.